Tired of feeling like Big Brother is always watching your financial transactions? You're not alone. Many people are seeking more privacy and control over their money. But can you truly achieve financial freedom without sacrificing security? Today, we're diving deep into Beam Wallet and exploring whether you can enjoy its benefits without undergoing the dreaded Know Your Customer (KYC) process. KYC procedures have become the norm in the world of finance. Banks and many cryptocurrency exchanges require you to submit personal information like your name, address, and even government-issued IDs. While these measures aim to prevent fraud and comply with regulations, they often come at the cost of your privacy. So, what if I told you there's a cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes user privacy and offers a high level of anonymity? Enter Beam Wallet. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol. This cutting-edge technology allows for confidential transactions, meaning your transaction history and balances remain hidden from prying eyes. Now, the burning question, can you use Beam Wallet without KYC? The short answer is yes. Beam Wallet allows you to create and use a wallet without revealing your personal information. You can receive and send Beam coins without undergoing any KYC procedures. This level of anonymity offers several advantages. Enhanced privacy, your financial activities remain private, protecting you from potential surveillance and data breaches. Increased control, you have complete control over your funds without the need to share sensitive information with third parties. Reduced risk of identity theft, by minimizing the amount of personal information you share, you reduce your risk of falling victim to identity theft. While Beam offers a high degree of anonymity, it's important to note that complete anonymity is difficult to achieve in the digital world. On-chain analysis, although transactions are confidential, advanced blockchain analysis techniques can sometimes reveal patterns and potentially link transactions to specific entities. Regulatory landscape. The regulatory landscape surrounding privacy coins is constantly evolving. While Beam aims to comply with regulations, it's crucial to stay informed about any potential changes that may impact your use of the wallet. To maximize your privacy when using Beam Wallet, use a strong, unique password. Avoid revealing your wallet address publicly. Be mindful of your online activity. Stay informed about the latest privacy best practices. Beam Wallet offers a compelling alternative for those seeking more privacy and control over their finances. While complete anonymity may not be entirely achievable, Beam provides a significant step towards greater financial freedom. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.